My name's Louis Goodman. I'm a lawyer. I handle a lot of DUI and DWI cases. In California, we generally refer to it as DUI as opposed to DWI, but it's essentially the same thing: driving under the influence of alcohol or driving while intoxicated. In California, if you're stopped for driving under the influence of alcohol, generally there are two things that you need to be concerned about. One is the Department of Motor Vehicles. That's represented by what you probably got as a pink temporary license. The other is the court case, which is generally represented either by a citation or a white notice to appear that you signed at the time you got out of jail, promising that you would go to court. Let me start with the Department of Motor Vehicles. It is critical that either you or an attorney call DMV within 10 days of the date of the stop. That's to set up a DMV hearing. As long as we're waiting for the DMV hearing, your license is valid. The DMV then is required to send us a copy of the police report as well as any blood testing that may have been done. And before any action can be taken on your license, the Department of Motor Vehicles has to provide that information to us. If the Department of Motor Vehicles does take your license on a first offense, you're subject to a 30-day hard suspension, but after that you can get your license back on a restricted basis, assuming essentially four things: you're enrolled in a DUI school, you have an SR-22 from your insurance company, a $125 reissue fee, and an ignition interlock device installed on your vehicle. The other thing you need to be concerned about is court. Court is different because in theory, a judge could sentence you to up to 6 months in the county jail on a first offense DUI. That would be an unusual sentence. Generally speaking, if your case is properly handled, you will not do jail time on a first offense DUI. Rather, your case can be resolved for a period of probation, a fine, a driving under the influence school, and perhaps some other further terms and conditions that the court might want to impose in your particular case. DUI, DWI is a very complicated area of law, and you should definitely consult with an attorney before making any serious decisions about handling your DUI case. Bear in mind that this is something for which you can go to jail, and you should definitely be represented by an attorney. Please feel free to give me a call, and I'd be happy to consult with you about your DUI case with no fees for that consultation.